How to change payment method in the Foodpanda application. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your payment method in the Foodpanda application. First, open your Foodpanda application on your mobile device. Now, select any restaurant from here. You can also select the restaurant from the food delivery section. After selecting the restaurant, choose any food item. Once you've selected the items, tap on Add to Cart. Then tap on View Your Cart. Here, tap on Confirm Payment and Address. You need to go to the Payment Method section. Now, select the payment method you want to change. After selecting the payment method, tap on Confirm. Now, you can place your order with the new payment method you've chosen. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.